Hello techies. Alright, so we have a couple of tasks on the left pane that we need to do, and let's open the terminal and we start. Let's start with the old file. Alright, so let's remove what are we removing? Old underscore my file.txt. Is that all? Yes. Yes, we want to. Alright, so what else do we doing? We are to use a touch space new my file .txt. Yeah, so let's check. Alright, so I'll go to nano. And new. Let's go my file.txt. Alright, so we can just put in a new file here. My new creation. So for this, you can actually put in any file of your choice here. So Control X. Yep. Put in UI and alright, so let's confirm. Oh, nope. Space. Alright, so this is done, and let us cut this new file, cat space new underscore my file.txt and enter. Alright, so my new creation, that is what we used. So so cp cp new underscore my file.txt new underscore my file.txt. Oh, okay. Oh, alright, there's an error there. Let's start again. Oh, okay. So cp new underscore my file.txt / home /wadams /practice /new myfile.txt. Alright, so okay, so since we're supposed to stop here, it says copy home practice /practice directory. So alright, so so that is it. So let's go to cp practice. Okay. So let's go ahead and move. We're moving to /home. What are we moving? So this is an error. It's supposed to be cd practice. Alright, so that is a new file there. So let's see. Alright, that is a new file there. So the next task is to move. What are we moving? _new myfile.txt. So this is the file. We're moving it to final myfile.txt, and yep. So let's just confirm if this is there. Alright, so we are good to go. Let's go ahead and check our answers. Everything seems correct here. If this video was helpful, you might want to consider sharing so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.